Something going on right now. There's something going on, and it stinks. The human race is getting played. This right here, this bottle right here is more expensive than a gallon of gasoline. You try to buy a bottle. Try to buy enough bottles to fill up a gallon of just a regular old gallon jug. You out of machine, you paying $6 or better for this one damn gallon of this here substance. Right now, they're trying to tell you there's a water shortage in California. Now, if you look over there to the west, you look at North California, you look to the west, there's a damn ocean. You gonna tell me there's a water shortage when I'm gonna look and see all the water you want in the world? How can they say there's a water shortage when the damn planet is made up over 80% of it? You are a human being. Somehow or another, you done forgot that. You have the God-given right, the right as a human being, a living being on this planet, to forage for food without a fishing license, without any government control, and to drink water. You are being played by the biggest monopolizing, sorry son of a gun you ever want to see. These people, they have made money on oil, and now that the oil, they think the oil is going to dry up, they're going to go after this here right here. This here right here. And I've been warning America, I've been warning people for the longest that this gallon of water, and water is going to be the most expensive ass thing there is in the whole world. This right here can fuel my car for the longest damn time. If I put electricity through it, I get oxygen and I get hydrogen. There's fuel in this little bottle. Take a little battery, put the boats together, put them together and run it in here. They'll start bubbling. That turns into a gas. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all are being played, and the ones that are playing you, I tell you what, right now, they done bought up reservoirs. People have done bought up land that holds water, and they got it sold to them, no questions asked. Yet you're going to arrest the sorry old man for having water fall from the sky on his damn property. He's in jail right now, got a year in prison for water, something that is ours, your God-given right to water. If you are stupid enough not to pump this stuff out the ocean, filter it. How do you think they drink on a submarine? You think they bring water on board? Hell no, they get their oxygen and water from the sea. If you let them do this to you, America, you are the stupidest son of a bitch that you deserve to get broke buying this. This is not gold, but you're going to pay the price of gold for it if you let them. Take your damn country back and wake up, America.